today's topic is on a yoga mind mystery. I choose today this topic because today's era there is a watered down version of yoga. So to understand the root essence of it, I chose it. Yoga is a spiritual process. We need to join body, mind and spirit to go ascend and achieve a higher purpose of life. It's a self-development and growth. Fundamental human system. How it created, how it works within, and what can about it. We enjoy our life. Okay, we live this life. It's a one thing, and the other thing is take this body as an instrument and focus on expose or offer different dimensions of life. Just little bit pause here. I'm trying to understand one thing. There's a common era, before Christ, and Anno Domini. Okay, there is a before Christ. We are here in the 2020 of common era. Okay, if we talk about anything before common era, before Christ, then we have to calculate this 2020 plus this much years of that year. Okay, so anything in before common era written in decreasing order. Just example, if any person born in a 500 BCE and he lived 50 years and that, then it written like 500 450 BCE is written in a decreasing order. Same in Anno Domini or common era is written in an increasing order. So we're back to this topic. Harappan civilization, Mohenjo-daro, around 2500 to 1700 years ago BCE. Just calculate how many years ago. 2020 plus this much years. It means around 4,500 years ago, yoga was existed. The people living as a yoga as a lifestyle. We can see its asanas of that time and position of yogi. Then Rig Veda. Yoga is even mentioned in Rig Veda, which is come around 1500 BCE. There is spiritual yoking and synchronization of the divine thought. Then Bhagavad Gita in 7th century of BC by Vyasa. We know there is a different adhyaya in Bhagavad Gita, and in that written about yoga. There is a 7 chakras of body and near 1800 distinct type of yoga. Our Asian father of yoga is a Lord Shiva. But now year and year passed, over and over time people want specialization. Then around 3200 years ago Patanjali Muni came, and Patanjali Muni accumulate this 1800 distinct type of yoga and give only 196 Yoga Sutras. Okay, for specialization. He didn't reinvent, he accumulate everything which was already there in our Asian time. Accumulate everything and give 196 Yoga Sutras. Ashtanga Yoga, 8 limbs of yoga. Then he considered a father of modern yoga. Then Swami Vivekananda. He transliteration and explanation to good depth of understanding of people. It is believed that Swami Vivekananda first entered yoga in the West when he went Chicago, first religious parliament. He talked about yoga that time in 1893. It's in 40 Indian language and 2 non-Indian language. One is Old Javanese and other is Arabics. Patanjali's Yoga Sutras available in this mud language. We talk about Ashtanga Yoga, 8 limbs of yoga now. First is Yama, 5 social disciplines. Niyama, 5 physical disciplines. Then asanas, discipline of body, and prepare body to go further and achieve other limbs. Then pranayama, it's a control of breath and body. Then pratyahara, go reverse, took away your sensation from outside of the world and look inside you, within you. It's a pratyahara. Then dharana, it's a concentration. Fix a mind for a heart or for a head and do it concentration. That is a dharana. Dhari, it's mean hold it. Then dhyana. All these multi waves and are coming, but there is a multiply of these waves and become a one. There is a become a one, and there is a fixed in a one in a center. That is a dhyan. Then samadhi. Sama means same, adi means state, same state. 12 sack of fixed mind become a dharana. 12 dharana become a dhyan, and 12 dhyan become a samadhi. Okay. Then there is asanas are part of Ashtanga yoga. We do anything in our routine life. We eat food with full concentration, it's a type of yoga. We make a food with full concentrations, it's a type of yoga. We play in a compound with a full concentration, then it's a type of yoga. It means we do anything in our life with full concentration, love and care, that is a type of yoga. Okay, so try to live this type. I mean, not only on the International Yoga Day, but do it on a daily life. Enjoy your life. Bye bye.